Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add and customize text in Canva. Alright, so let's click on create, and you can you can customize size and units as well, but I'm going to use the pixel or px. Alright, so here's the blank design, and we're going to change our background before we start. Alright, so on the left side, click on text. There is the default text styles, which is the heading, subheading, and body text. So let's click on the heading and edit our text. So for example, I'm going to create a sale poster. Let's change the font. You can also change the font color. You can choose any color you want. And the effects like shadow, leaf, splice, outline, and many more. So in this, we're going to choose shadow and change the color to black. You can also change the opacity or the transparency and the indent. Alright, so next let's add a subheading. Let's change the font to Arimo and change the font color to black. Alright, so this is how you add and customize text in Canva.